This is Scott Patrick. I'm with my great friend Flavia Oliveira, and we are gonna make some gorgeous makeup today. We're gonna play up her beautiful green eyes. We're gonna add a smoke around it, and we're gonna finish with just a gorgeous, delicious lip from Pat McGrath. There's shine, there's smoke, there's fire where there's smoke, and it's gonna look beautiful in a darker light and candlelight and wonderful across the table. Now, we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner on top of the eye. I'm using the MAC Cake eyeliner. It's beautiful. And what that does is it changes the weight from the bottom of the eye to the top. It gives a little bit of a heavier liddy look. A little sexy.
Love it.
Beautiful. Bit of Benefit, the real. Make yourself gorgeous, darling. Beautiful. That's good. It's beautiful. Wow.
It's like
Teamwork.
love it.
Gorgeous. A little final touches. Just adding a little to that V. Open. Let me see. Nice. We've got a gorgeous lip. It's SKINSANE from Pat McGrath. It's heaven. It's just beautiful. And it's that Salvador Dali packaging that is just heaven.
Gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Just beautiful.
Beautiful. Lindo. Lindo.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Genius. Genius. Like, genius. I want to keep forever. Can I?
You can. We're heading to the tattoo parlor.
Please, like, it's beautiful. I mean,
You
just
look
gonna put
beautiful.
a beautiful dress because I'm beautiful. Where is it?
Aw, sweetheart.
That's it.
Mwah.
Baby. Obrigada, obrigada, obrigada.
Okay. So just, do your thing. And if I see your belly button, that's good too. What do you think, gorgeous?
Beautiful, gorgeous. I feel gorgeous. I'm like, gorgeous.
Thank you for watching Scott Patrick Beauty. It's my good friend Flavia, and we are making beautiful. So thanks for watching.